So we're gonna be unboxing the new iPhone today. This is the iPhone 11 Pro with, as you can see, 3 cameras here, and this is just some protective shield for the iPhone. This one is for iPhone XS and iPhone X, but let's hope that it fits the new iPhone 11 Pro. Alright, as you can see, the phone is completely new and I haven't yet unpacked it or even unsealed it. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Ah, that feels good. Okay, there we go. Ta-da-da-da. I was afraid to drop it there, as you might have seen on some videos. Okay, I need to be honest, this is my first iPhone, and before this I have only had Android phones, and I just wanted to give it a try to own an iPhone before I have my opinion about it. Alright, so there you go. Damn, it actually looks good. Pretty much like it so far. We're gonna set it up and see how the quality is. Okay, let's set it aside for now and see what else we have in this box. Okay, this is some packaging instructions, I guess, and this is a Swedish phone, so it says hey. We'll be reading it later. And then it comes with the wireless earplugs, which I freaking hate. I have my Bose headphones with noise cancellation and stuff, and this is the charger, which I freaking hate pretty much because it's USB type C on this side, but this side is bullshit. Because if it was USB type C, the proper one, then you could charge your iPhone with your MacBook charger, but I pretty much now can charge my Samsung phone with my MacBook charger. But yeah, let's see if I get used to this shit. And then crappy charger. That's it. The box is empty. Okay, now let's unseal this thing. This is my favorite moment, unsealing a phone. This is just perfect. Do we have any seals back here? I don't think so. Oh, looks like we don't. So this is pretty much it. So where's the power button now? As I said, this is my first iPhone, so bear with me. I guess it's this one. Nope, that's the, oh yeah, this one, I guess. Come on. That's your bitten apple. Now we just have to wait. Well, hello. Okay, we're gonna go for English, country. Was there a search option there? Sweden. But I don't know, I don't want the Swedish language though. Yeah, I picked English actually. Nope, I haven't had an iPhone before. And well, I will move on with it later on. Anyway, here's the new iPhone. Oh, it leaves fingerprints, but so far I like it. I'll let you know how it goes. Nope, no hello. No. Yes, hello. Okay, thank you for watching, and have fun.